All right, good morning, everybody. Friday, let's go. Last day of the week, kind of. We always work, but last day of the work week. So Devin's off today. Damien's got 10 yards to mow. I've got greens to do. Willie's got tees and collars. Not sure if I'm gonna mow any fairways or not. Feel it out when I'm out there. And then I got a good friend of mine. He's back from the Air Force right now. He's in town today, wanted to play a round of golf, so we're gonna try to get everything done by about 1 o'clock and play a round of golf this afternoon, so let's get it. All right, it's about 6:20. We just got out here. This is wild. It's like 65 degrees out right now. It feels so warm out here. I don't know why the hell I'm wearing this thing. Fuck. What the fuck? I'm not even fucking trolling here. I'm literally gonna have to shut the fucking camera off to get my coat off. All right, 6:22, just got in the shop. First line of action we gotta do. We've got green mowing. Willie will be here in a little bit, take care of tees and collars. Depending on how they look, we may mow some roughs. Probably not 1, 2, 3, or 4. Pretty much everything on the west side of the golf course it doesn't grow nearly as fast. It's not ready, it hasn't taken off. But be interested to see what holes 7 and 8 look like. Those two grow really fast. So might end up mowing those, but anyways, go time, baby. We got a decent little bit of work to get done, and we need to be done by noon today so we can get our round in. We haven't played golf in about a week, so on real grass, I should say. We did play on the simulator earlier this week, but any real golfer would tell you that there is a mighty fine difference between playing on the simulator and playing on real grass. So I think we're gonna pull this baby out and just get to work on the greens right away. Wheeling her back up to the clubhouse. I went and attempted to mow greens. I gotta tell you, I think I'm gonna do more damage than good if I do. They are tight, they are short, they are burnt. Our irrigation is working and on now, but boys just fertilized yesterday, and they haven't turned like such a timer up yet on it to actually like get it going. It's supposed to rain every day this weekend, so it's off right now, but those greens could use like regular maintenance. So Willie in the house. All right, there goes Willie. What an awesome guy. Willie just went and took me to go get him his money. Had lots of good conversations. Let's go get to work now. All right, it's about 9:45. Done out here at the course. We're not going to mow anything. Fertilizer's still pretty well all over everything. I was out cleaning tee pads and changing garbage, blowing things off, picking sticks, just touch-up work and kind of scoping the situation out. And fairways are still pretty tight. Roughs are spotty. They'll be ready next week, but it's kind of the situation everywhere. It's all like doesn't really need mowed. I just want to mow it to make it look nicer, but I think the best course of action is going to let that fertilizer take this water, break down into the soil, and do its thing. Come in there Monday fresh and just get after it. So leaving the course, I'm gonna go check on Damien, see what he's up to. help him out, try to get him ahead a little bit. And I've got a buddy in town. I'm gonna go play a round of golf at 1 o'clock with him here at the club, so that'll be fun to play the course. So before I go out and play for the afternoon, I need to make sure that Damien's situated well. So we're gonna go check on him. CT Landscapes, I would say, best hardscaper in around here. Best hardscaper I know. CT Landscapes. Retaining walls, paver patios. Connor is really, really talented. Now that is what you like to see. Over here at a customer of ours that lives out by the course. And hole 6. Hole 8, the pond, hole 7, 9. Looks really nice from up here. I hadn't seen it from this angle. Blam. Another one bites the dust. We sit out here helping Damien pick a few of these off. All right, just give me my last one I helped Damien with. And I'm gonna go home and shower, eat some lunch, and go golfing. We've got, it's actually 11 today now that I got to rethinking about it because we never did that field from yesterday, if you recall. So, we got 9 out of 11. So he's gonna have one commercial property, which is about an acre. So it takes a little bit when you're by yourself. But, yeah, after that he'll just have the 1 yard left to do. Yeah, just after 11 o'clock. Damien's got, after this one's done, he'll have sunshine. He'll have one other really small, easy yard to do, and then the open field. So I'd say we got him set up pretty good. He's doing all right. Let's see. Let's check in on him. Yeah, he looks like he's doing all right. That's a wrap for me. I'll be quick though. Your street's busy. All right, so this sunshine, Amy, and then
Go ahead, Amy first.
I would hit Amy that field and maybe take a lunch at home and then hit sunshine. No,
I got balls to right up my
oh yeah,
I'd rather beat my Friday over with than go home and be done.
10-4. All right, well, yeah, it's just those 3 then. So
Yeah, I'll probably Amy sunshine, and then it's truly just an open loan. I'd rather get sunshine than because I got Sunday.
all right, man, I'm going home, shower, and eat some pizza.
I'm probably gonna hit Amy's, and then I'm gonna hit the gas station. Both cycles are going to get there.
Yeah.
This is empty.
Yep.
I might just gas up.
You're gonna need to.
Why the bar is it? I think they're back.
Who said he put it down? So. Yeah, I'm starving.
Gas up, turn some hot food and then maybe something.
I got that fucking leak in the gut.
Dude, that's why I was eating that bag of chips. That's what I was going to ask my mom. But I got like a really eating good stomach feed. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna eat some chips real quick in a second.
All right, I think I gotta get out of this guy's way.
All right,
see ya. Ready to go play some golf. I don't think we got any video yet today, but there's Billy. He just holed that fucking thing out. You wouldn't believe it, but he actually just holed out an eagle on a par 3. Oh my God, that's right on the fucking flag. Dude, nice shot.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, good morning, everybody. Saturday, it's about 7:30. Of course, it's dewy, but I don't think frosty. So, we're good to cut everything. There's really nobody out here. I don't think there's a single person out here right now. So, typically we wouldn't have too much to do on Saturday. Yesterday, we cut out at about 1 o'clock to play around the golf with our... Here we are, Saturday. Gonna go change the trashes and mow the greens because when we were playing, we noticed they are a little slow. So, oh, I do see one golfer. Yeah, you guys probably can't see him in the video. I can see him one. All right, let's go do it. Oh, side note, today's video, tomorrow's video are gonna be a mashup. A little bit too much beverages last night. Got home, I was in no shape to be editing videos and stuff, so we'll have a two-parter, Friday and Saturday. All right, 9:15. We got one to go. Saw a couple high schoolers out here at about 7:30, and since then, not a soul. It's not even that bad out here, people. Where you at? All right, 9:37. It's about 2 hours. Took a lot longer today because they haven't been cut in a while. We're kind of trying to let them grow a little bit. They were quite yellow. So I had to change the bag quite a bit today. Almost every single hole, which is expected, so no big deal. All right, it's about 11 o'clock now. Just spent a couple hours at the house, went and picked up some Easter candy for the kids with Katie, and spent a little time at home with everybody, and heading back out now. Gonna run to the shop, drop the lawnmower off, and pick up the spreader and sprayer. Got a couple yards to take care of this weekend while the lawnmower's not loaded up and everything. Damien doesn't need the rig, so try to get those knocked out. That way I don't need to take the rig while he's trying to get his mowing taken care of. So, yeah, we got about 3 of those to get done. We've got Easter at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, but I need to be home by 2. And then we've got another one tomorrow at noon, so we're gonna try to continue to get things done while also enjoying the weekend with the family as well. All right, we've arrived at our first fert job for the day. This one's about, how much was this? 75, 70, almost 80,000 square foot, just shy of 2 acres. So this one will be a little bit of a task. This is always a welcome sign. This little bastard, excuse my language, beautiful machine, works great, but parking brake is absolute junk on this thing, and it is a straight up bully. I've since learned to chalk literally every single wheel on this thing, but before that, I mean, this thing was just destroying the inside of my trailer. That parking brake right there is junk. Nice machine though, works great. Parking brake, junk. All right, this job complete. Whew, I'm out of breath. Freaking chalking these damn wheels in with a MF and sledgehammer. This thing likes to rock. I should just tie it down, but you know, that would make too much sense. So until then, we'll just keep on beating on shit like a Neanderthal. Moment of truth. See, now this is the shit I'm talking about. All these fucking wheels were chalked. Look at that thing. Piece of crap. All right, it is 1:30. We've got 1 yard left to do. The big reveal. Still standing. All right, 1:56. We are done with customers for the day. Run to the country club, drop my sprayer off, pick up mower. Done with the sprayer for a little bit. Just ate a bunch of Let's Go 3-way herbicide. Just check my yard out. I was driving and I thought, geez, I didn't, you know, like all of a sudden I just started getting painted with liquid. I thought, what the hell? It's not that windy. And I had the hose on the side that you can pull out and shoot stuff with. It was facing straight up. And every time I was hitting a bump, it was pinching the frickin' lever to shoot it. It was shooting a waterfall of herbicide right over top of my fucking head. And it took me 3 stripes to figure it out. I'm gonna go home and shower. That's a wrap, folks. We out of here. Huh. All right, guys. That's probably gonna do it for today's video. Probably a short one, 10 minutes or less, who knows. Had probably about a half day. Spent some good time in the shop. Hang out with Lily this morning. Played some golf with a good friend of ours from out of town. It was a great day. Just didn't film everything, but I'll tell you guys, appreciate all of them. Yeah.